Welcome to CMV Interior Designs. Today, we will guide you through exploring different interior design styles. Whether you aim to start from scratch, refresh your space, or plan a commercial project, understanding these styles can help you create the perfect environment. New York Industrial Design. This stylish space features exposed brick walls, polished concrete floors, and minimalist furniture, creating a chic yet rugged ambience. Metal accents and reclaimed wood add texture and warmth, while modern art pieces and green plants introduce pops of color. Vibrant blue accents, from cushions to decorative pieces, add a lively touch to the neutral palette, creating a striking visual contrast. The design strikes a perfect balance between the city's historic industrial past and contemporary elegance, making it a sophisticated urban retreat. Classical style. A luxurious interior beautifully combines classical charm with modern style. Ornate crown moldings and detailed ceiling decoration complement sleek and contemporary furniture. The room's neutral colors are enhanced by rich textures like velvet upholstery and polished marble floors. Elegant chandeliers offer soft lighting, while large windows let in plenty of natural light. Chic design style. Antique decor pieces sit alongside modern art, creating a sophisticated and timeless space, blending high-quality materials for relaxation and luxurious entertainment. From the refined furniture pieces to the thoughtfully curated accessories, every element is chosen to create a seamless flow of contemporary charm. The neutral color palette, accented by subtle pops of color, enhances the space's serenity while adding a modern twist. Immerse yourself in an environment where functionality meets beauty, and every detail is meticulously crafted to evoke a sense of timeless style and understated luxury. Contemporary Asian style. A contemporary Asian style interior blends minimalist design with traditional Asian elements. Clean lines and neutral colors create a calming and uncluttered atmosphere, while natural materials like bamboo, teak, and stone add warmth and texture. Sleek furniture with simple, functional designs, it complements subtle Asian-inspired decor. Large windows let in plenty of natural light, enhancing the serene ambience. The overall look is elegant and modern, with a focus on harmony and balance. Ultra-modern design. An ultra-modern design is all about sleek, cutting-edge aesthetics with a focus on simplicity and functionality. Thin lines, geometric shapes, and a minimalist approach. The color palette is often monochromatic, featuring shades like white, gray, and black with occasional bold accents. Materials such as glass, metal, and high-gloss finishes are common, creating a high-tech and polished look. Large windows and open spaces maximize neutral light, enhancing the airy and spacious feel. The overall design is both innovative and elegant, reflecting a forward-thinking approach to style. Scandinavian design. Scandinavian design is all about simplicity, functionality, and natural beauty. It features clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a focus on light and space. The color palette is often
Textures
soft
like
and
wool
neutral,
throws
with
cozy
whites,
rugs,
grays,
and simple
and
ceramics,
beiges, complemented
warmth
by
and a touch
natural
of
wood
coziness.
tones. Furniture is typically sleek and streamlined, with a focus on comfort and practicality. Light, airy spaces are enhanced by large windows and an abundance of natural light. The overall look is both modern and inviting, with an emphasis on creating a serene and uncluttered environment. Our mission is to make the best happen by harmonizing functionality and aesthetics.